Lily, what are we doing? We're going to a really cool plant store here in Rota. Our very first time out in a plant store. We're going to look at lots of really pretty flowers. Ooh, that beautiful table over there and that fountain. Ooh. Oh, look at this beautiful bench over here, Lily. Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at that bench, Lily. Look at seat in that beautiful bench. Look at that bench. Beautiful. Ooh, like this beautiful table. Oh, I love it. $385.
That's all.
All right. They have outdoor bird cages. See, I like this one. This is beautiful. Lily, go stand over there and pretend you're feeding the birds. Look. Woo, Lily. This is beautiful. Look, a little tiki hut. Wow. This is extravagant. Can you imagine having this in your yard? Like, it's humongous. Oh, this one has dragons on it. Look. Whoa, that's cool.
I want the Asian dragons from it.
This one came from Japan. That's beautiful. Look, it's a wishing wheel like Snow White. Very beautiful. Look at all the little birds in the rain boots. How adorable. Yeah, look. Look at those. Looks like bamboo. That's a turtle. Ooh, a beautiful greenhouse with lots of plants and flowers. Okay, you want to push the stroller? Okay. Lily, what do you think of all these flowers? Are they pretty? Beautiful. Ooh, look at these really cool pots.
Oh my gosh. Rose upon rose.
Oh, I'm excited. Beautiful. Lots of flowers. Whoa. Touching the flowers. Hi, Lily. I love that pelican over there. So here is my bench, almost 2 years later now. Well, probably over 2 years. Since I've been in Spain, it made it all the way from Rota, and it's now here in South Carolina. So, yep. And it's still really detailed and really pretty. So there we go. And I'm gonna keep it forever because it's pretty awesome. And all of my pots that I got from that store made it back as well. So pretty cool.